SurgiHEAL Pro is a hypochlorous-based, next-generation wound cleansing and healing technology, engineered to address the unique surgical challenges faced by hair restoration surgeons and their patients. SurgiHEAL Pro is available in both a spray liquid and hydrogel formulation. It is very easy to incorporate into your surgical procedures and your patient's post-operative wound healing treatment regimen. First, use SurgiHEAL Pro to thoroughly cleanse and disinfect the scalp before the hair transplant procedure. Spray SurgiHEAL Pro liberally on the entire scalp and allow it to dry up the surface. Follow up with spraying and wiping down the scalp with 4x4 gauze. Utilize SurgiHEAL Pro throughout the harvesting and recipient site creation process to help keep the surgical site clean and moist. Use SurgiHEAL Pro just like you would use normal saline. The hemostatic properties of the HOCl will help ease the bleeding and oozing, and give you a cleaner and clearer surgical site. By utilizing SurgiHEAL Pro during the extraction and site creation procedure, you are initiating the healing process during the surgery. It is easy to incorporate into your surgical procedures and patients' post-operative wound healing treatment. To allow for a full 10 to 14 days of post-operative treatment, provide your patient with 2 bottles of each formulation of SurgiHEAL Pro. At the recipient site, have the patient use the blue 3-ounce antimicrobial solution liquid spray. At the donor site, have the patient use the orange 3-ounce antimicrobial hydrogel spray and shake vigorously before each use. First, apply 5 to 6 sprays of SurgiHEAL Pro to the donor or recipient sites. Second, allow SurgiHEAL Pro to dry on the affected area, no need to wipe away the excess. Third, repeat every 1 to 2 hours while awake, and continue for 10 to 14 days.
And the bottom line of SurgiHEAL Pro is simply this: better healing gives better results.